why 95% of students always fail to reach their true potential, it's not because they are not working hard enough, but it's because they don't know how their effort works. They don't understand a way to put their efforts actually to get the results. Let's be honest, most students are not lazy, they are tired. Tired of trying, tired of failing, and tired of comparing themselves to others. Listen to me, here's the truth that no one tells you about. There is no any problem with your intelligence. The only problem is with our system. They study for hours, memorize pages, pull all-nighters but see absolutely no results. Because the truth is, effort without a direction is like running on a treadmill. You move a lot but you never move forward. So today, let's fix that once and for all. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to break free from failure, study smarter, and build a type of mindset which makes success unavoidable. Keeping the decreasing attention span in mind, and to make this video more effective, we've divided this video into 3 parts. Let's dive right into the video. When I was little, I thought toppers were gifted, but then I realized something very shocking. They were not smarter, they were just strategic. They never chased perfection, but they always chased progress. And this is what makes all the difference between the topper and average students. They understood that 1 hour of focused studying beats 5 hours of distracted scrolling. They built consistent small habits and they didn't rely on some random bursts of motivation. So the next time you pick up a book, ask yourself a question. Am I studying to improve myself or am I studying to impress others? Because only one of them leads to your growth, and I hope you understand which one. Now that your mindset is set, here's the 3-step academic method to study like a topper. Step 1. The 50-minute focus formula. You are going to study with 100% focus for 50 minutes. And then in the remaining 10 minutes, you are going to take a break for just walking, stretching, or even breathing. This is going to help you to retain more information, and this is also going to decrease the burnouts that you feel. Step 2. Teach what you learn. After learning each topic, teach the topic as if you're teaching your friend. Even better, teach as if you are talking to a complete beginner about the topic. This activates your retrieval practice in the mind and can help you to remember it for a long period of time and to clear the confusion in your mind. This is a scientifically proven method to boost your memory. Step 3. Reviewing is greater than reading. Don't just reread your notes. Every Saturday or Sunday, take 30 minutes to review what you've learned throughout the week. This builds long-term memory and not just short-term crammings. Let me give you the 3 golden rules every successful student follows, whether they are from a small town or from a top university. Rule number 1. Absolutely no 0 days. Even on bad days when you don't really feel like doing anything or studying, read 1 page. Read 1 chapter. Do anything but do it, because perfection is always beaten by progress. Rule number 2. Protect your focus. Your phone is your biggest enemy even if you don't want to admit it. Keep it out of reach during your study time, because you don't need more motivation, you just need fewer distractions. Rule number 3. Compete with your past self. You are not here to be better than others, but you are here to be better than yesterday's you. And that's exactly how champions and successful people are made. Remember, success does not come to those who wish or want it, but it comes to those who work with purpose and stay consistent throughout the journey. If you've come this far, it means that you are not ordinary. You have really made it this far. Congratulations. You have taken the first step. Now let's take the next step together. Subscribe to Academy, because every week I'll be right here teaching you how to study smarter, stay motivated, and become unstoppable. Let's embark on this journey to make our parents proud and to make our future unstoppable. Remember, don't wait for the perfect time. Make this your perfect time. Let's end this video with the motivation to work on a new project. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself.